Hello friends, welcome back to Civil Engineering Master. Today in this video we are going to see 30 by 45 site plan which is having ground floor plus first floor and terrace floor. So let's look into the drawing. Here we have the ground floor plan. So this is the road. Road is on west facing. You can see the side north, south, east and west. So the entrance is going to be in the north facing. So here we have parking area 9 feet 2 inches by 16 feet 6 inches. So and after that here we have a level difference. So we have steps here. 1 feet 6 inch level difference is there from parking to this foyer. So we have foyer of 4 feet 3 inches by 5 feet 9 inches. So once we enter here we have a living room. Living room size is 12 feet by 13 feet, which is quite nice space. And then this side we have a kitchen. Kitchen is located in the southeast corner as per Vastu. Kitchen size is 10 feet by 9 feet 3 inches. Dining is 12 feet 8 inches by 10 feet 6 inches. So there is a door from kitchen to enter to this utility. So because everywhere there is a concern like inside the home we cannot do all the utility work. So that is why here outside also one utility is provided, sink and washing machine provision. So here also this is in some upper level around 1 feet 6 inches. So we have to get it down. There are steps here to enter this side. This side also there is a utility. This side also there is a level difference. So then this space, this utility will be in upper position. This side we have bedroom, that is southwest corner. Southwest corner there is a bedroom size of 11 feet by 13 feet, and this side we have a bathroom that is 5 feet by 9 feet. So this is the first floor ground floor plan. So here we have a staircase in the middle portion of the house to reach the first floor. So this is the ground floor plan. Once we reach the first floor level, so here we have living room, and then this side living room of same size as ground floor 12 feet by 13 feet, and here study room which is 9 feet by 9 feet 3 inches. And this side we have one bedroom 13 feet 6 inches by 10 feet 3 inches. We have one small sit out as well here 7 feet 3 inches by 3 feet 9 inches, and the bathroom we have 9 feet by 5 feet. This side we have the master bedroom 11 feet by 13 feet. Bath is 5 feet by 9 here. And if we come outside there is a big sit out, open sit out. So you can compare with that first floor ground floor plan. So this side it is a parking area. So that parking area is a sit out here 8 feet 10 inch by 18 feet 9 inches. This is the first floor plan. Next coming to the terrace floor plan, that is second floor plan. So it is a open terrace. There is nothing in this terrace floor, only staircase headroom will come in this terrace floor. Next let's look into the ventilation. I would suggest that always a proper ventilation for a home is mandatory, because air circulation should be there in around the home. So if you see this bedroom, so there is a one window here and there are two small windows over here. So the ventilation is proper, cross ventilation is there, and for the bathroom also here one ventilator is provided, and here also in this place there is a small window. And coming to the living room also there are two windows are provided here, and kitchen here one window is there. This dining also there is one window, and here also two windows, small windows are provided, so that from these windows you can get ventilation for both dining as well as kitchen. And even in this place also we can provide one small window. We can provide one window in this corner, the kitchen, and in the staircase also we can provide one window. Since we have the wall throughout the staircase, we can provide one window here. In the middle we can provide one window for ventilation. So this would be good. So ground floor it is completed. So everywhere proper ventilation is provided. Let's look into the first floor plan. So in the first floor, in the bath there is a ventilator. Bedroom we have here window, and there are two small windows are there. In living room we have one big window, and again here study room also ventilation is there. For bathroom ventilation is there, and here also for bedroom window, and here one small window is there. That is fine, because here we have a full sit out, and again we have to provide the window in the staircase. So in first floor plan also proper ventilation is provided. So what I would tell you is, like, whenever you are planning for your house, you have to be very careful about this proper ventilation and then proper utilization of the space, because if you don't plan properly, the space will become waste. Ventilation is important, and also proper utilization of space is also very important, because if you don't plan properly, the space will become waste. So you have to plan according to your usage, because every people have different opinion of like how they wanted to utilize the space, like how wanted to arrange the living room, how they wanted to arrange the bedroom or study room or kitchen. So according to your taste you can. So friends, I hope you all like this plan. If you want more plan like this, please do comment in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.